Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for your phone settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down until you get to Google right here. Go ahead and click on Google. Then go ahead and click on all services. Then scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to backup and restore. Go ahead and click on backup right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Now your data is automatically backed up to your Google account when the device is needed. What you back up right here, your photos and video, other device data are backup 12 hours ago. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on backup now. Once you click on backup now, all your data information on your Android phone will be back up to your Google Cloud account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android devices, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.